Very good morning, my dear boys of class 11th. Today I will try to discuss two topics. One is equilibrium. Of course, you have read it in your physics in class 10 or 11, and center of gravity. This is also a very common topic to you. So, equilibrium. So, what is equilibrium? And keep it in mind that equilibrium is one of the principles of physics which is very much applied in games and sports. Almost all the principles are applied in games and sports, the mechanical principles of physics. Now, what is equilibrium? Equilibrium is very much necessary. Equilibrium is the state in which the opposing forces are balanced. It is the state of balance. It is the state of balance or a stable situation where the opposite forces cancel each other and there is no change in the speed and direction of body. So this is equilibrium. In the field of sports, it is very much necessary, and in the field of sports it is termed as the balance or the stability or the position or a stance. In many ways this is described. It is also defined as the state of rest in the body, right? Equilibrium. So this is equilibrium. It is the state in which the opposing forces cancel each other and balance the body. It helps to keep balance, to keep stability, which is very much necessary in the field of games and sports, right? There are two types of equilibrium. One is dynamic equilibrium and other is static equilibrium. What is dynamic equilibrium? Now, maintaining the body balance during various body movements is known as dynamic equilibrium. Since all the major games and sports are movement oriented and movement is the prime factor, prime element of almost all the major games and sports, so it is very much important to maintain dynamic equilibrium. For example, खास करके especially in gymnastics, dynamic equilibrium, the application of the principles of dynamic equilibrium is applied much more, because the gymnast while performing different types of movements, difficult movements, he or she needs to maintain the body balance. So for example, in gymnastics we apply dynamic equilibrium. Number one, dynamic equilibrium. Number two, static equilibrium. What is static equilibrium? Now, static equilibrium, it is the state or position of equilibrium in a stationary position when our body is still unmoving. We are about to move, but the actual movement has not been started. So this is known as static equilibrium. For static equilibrium, the center of gravity of a body must fall with its base. To maintain static equilibrium, there is a term center of gravity. I am coming into the to center of gravity in my next video. So center of gravity plays a crucial role. So static equilibrium का example क्या है? Now for example, when a weight lifter gets ready to lift the weight, after lifting the weight, he needs to balance his body, isn't it or not? जब stable होता है तो अभी तो उनको बोला जाता है जो ठीक है अब रखो. वेट उठाने के बाद क्लीन एंड जार्क, स्नैच, ये सब जो स्टाइल होता है वेट लिफ्टिंग का, उठाने के बाद बैलेंस करने के बाद ही तो तब उनको व्हिसल दिया जाता है, सिग्नल दिया जाता है, ठीक है, इट इज़ ओके. जब तक ना स्टेबल होता है तब तक नहीं. सो दिस इज स्टैटिक इक्विलिब्रियम. सो दिस इज इक्विलिब्रियम. गो थ्रू माई नोट्स, दिस इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड नेक्स्ट, सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी. सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी क्या है ना? सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी इज अ पॉइंट. इट इज़ द पॉइंट, स्पेशली द मिड पॉइंट इन द नावल एरिया सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी होता है. तो सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी इज ए पॉइंट एट विच द इफेक्टिव बॉडी वेट इज सेंटर्ड, जहाँ पूरा के पूरा बॉडी वेट सेंटर्ड होते हैं एंड This point plays a major role, key role, crucial role to maintain the balance of the body, to maintain equilibrium. You have seen it very well that जो लंबे होते हैं, the tall sports persons, their center of gravity is weak. Whereas जो लोग नाटे होते हैं, short heighted sports person, it is very difficult to उन लोगों को गिराना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है। गाड़ी जैसा ही है, जो गाड़ी जितना ऊंचा होता है उसका उलटने का चांस ज़्यादा रहता है, और जो गाड़ी जितना मिट्टी के नज़दीक होते हैं, ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस जिसका जितना कम होता है उसका उलटने का संभावना कम हो जाता है। दैट इज़ ऑल्सो ए प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी। तो सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट। द शॉर्ट हाइटेड प्लेयर, they have a better body balance because their center of gravity is strong, it is closer, it is nearer to the ground. And in this case, when center of gravity is concerned, the tall sports persons are in slight back foot, though they are having the other advantages because of their height. So today, after this, thank you very much.